How to add more friends to Snapchat shortcuts. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add more friends on the Snapchat shortcut. So guys, to add the more friends on the shortcut to the Snapchat, you can have to follow some steps. So open the Snapchat app and take a snap using the camera. So let me select the picture. So you can see after taking the snap, I will have to tap on the send button to send, and then tap on the shortcut option. So you will have to send, and then from there you will have to tap right here on the plus icon. And from there you can see the create shortcut option. You will have to select the two persons from there, and after that you will have to tap right here on the create short. Tap on the create shortcut button to save the changes. So this is how you can easily create the shortcut. For more instruction, for more detailed instruction, you can visit the official Snapchat support page. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.